So we want to do a little shop tour, show you one of the quickest and easiest builds we have done that helps with organizing and charging our Makita equipment.
So we have all of our batteries over here, most of the drills right here. We added some other storage into this just to make it a little bit bigger, because at the time that we made this, we didn't really have anything else to really kind of manage screws and everything. So this was kind of how we handled it. And then on the back side is where we have all the chargers. So we have two dual chargers as well as a single charger. The real beauty of that is we have the Makita mower. So now we're able to charge all 4 of the batteries at once after we mow.
So it's a pretty good setup. You grab your tool, battery's already charged and ready to go. Pop it on, use your tool, and then the charging station is right over here. So we constantly have batteries over here charging, batteries that are charged, kind of working through like that. And like Mike said, we have a lot of lawn equipment that is also Makita, so it does come in handy to be able to move these batteries in and out.
Yeah, and having that many chargers, you really don't have the kind of floating issue where it's like, oh, these batteries need to get charged versus already charged, where then you just have them sitting somewhere and then who knows what happens with that. Because we have so many chargers, you know, I have yet to need to have a sitting space of that. Starting off, I did a lot of research trying to figure out, you know, a battery platform that would work for us. You know, kind of weighing the pros and cons, as well as I knew we were going to get into lawn care. Trying to see, this was a couple of years ago, so it's, you know, obviously different now. But, you know, Makita was kind of the one that kind of showed all the way. You know, track saw was a big deal back then. It is still a big deal, but more companies have them now. But between the lawn care, track saw, a couple of the other, you know, variables that we had, and it really was Makita that kind of shined.
And to us, it made a lot of sense to commit to one battery platform.
Yep.
So we could build something like this, where we have batteries that are going to work with a variety of our tools, both our landscape and woodworking tools. Mm-hmm. And we know that we always can grab and go with that same system. Yep. So we committed early on to Makita. It's worked out well. Yep. You'll see some other colors of tools around our shop, and other brands that we've dabbled in as well. Mm-hmm. But we're pretty happy with Makita, and having this showcase of chargers and setup here has really helped us to keep that organized and saves us some efficiency in the shop.
And if Makita ever comes out with the battery nailer, framing nailer, then guess what? The red stuff's gonna go.
You hear that, Makita? So we would love to know what you think of this build and how you store your batteries. How do you handle your chargers? And were we right in picking Makita? What platform do you use? But I think my favorite part about this entire project is the fact that it was made completely from scrap wood. Yep. And the paint was discount paint.
Stain.
Discount stain. It was like $4 or $5 for the can.
$1.89.
Okay, $1.89 for the can. It's a beautiful yellow color.
School bus yellow.
School bus yellow. And looks great. Does the job. So comment, like, subscribe.
And follow along. We'll show you some more of the shenanigans in this workshop.
See you next time.